What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be walking you through step by step, and I'm going to be learning myself on how to customize your blog page and make it look fire. Let's go. All right, so right now, this is how my blog page looks right here. All right, and I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to help me out. Okay, so this is what we got right here. I said, I want you to help me customize my blog page and make it look like a shop. Because right now I run an apparel shop, a clothing Christian apparel shop called Gospel Swag, and I want to customize my blog. I mean, this one looks fire and everything, right? But I want to customize it. So here's what it tells me. Number one, make sure your page can use blocks. So what I need to do is I need to go over here. What it's telling me is go to dashboard, okay? And then we're going to set up a page for blogs. We're going to go to pages, okay? And then we're going to go add page, and we're going to call this the blog shop. Instead of just blog, I'm going to name it blog shop, okay? And like I said, I'm learning right along with you. So here we go, blog shop, okay? And we're going to hit publish, and we're going to hit publish again. All right, next step it says is go to settings, reading. Under your home page displays, leave your home as is. Post page, set to select empty or create a placeholder you want used. We're going to use a normal page for the blog instead. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that the way it is, and it says save changes. Create, edit your blog page. Okay, so I just went to pages, added new, and I added it called blog shop. Title it blog or journal. Once again, I called it blog shop. We'll add 3 block areas: hero, filters, grid. All right, so here we go. Hero. Click the plus to add a group block. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to click the plus to add a group block. Okay, okay, okay. We should click the plus to add a group block. In the right sidebar, advanced additional CSS classes, enter GS Blog Hero. Okay, so we're going to call that GS. So we have to go to, what is that? Okay, in the right sidebar, it says advanced additional CSS classes, enter GS Blog Hero. Okay, so I'm going to go to right sidebar. This is the sidebar, I guess. Yeah, sidebar. Okay, here we go. I had to click down here. All right, advanced. Here we go. Advanced CSS classes, and then we're going to paste that there. We're going to get save. All right, so let's go here. Inside the group, add heading, the Gospel Swag Journal, or your title. Okay, inside the group. Okay, so I guess this will be the group. So title. Let's see, I'm a little bit mixed up here. Okay, click plus add group block. Okay, in the right sidebar, advanced, we did that. Inside the group, add. Okay, inside the group, add. Heading, the Gospel Swag Journal, or your title. Okay, but I thought this was the title. All right, let's try it. Gospel, something, let me see. Let me go back up here. Make sure your page can use blocks. Create, edit blog page. Boom, add new, title blog. We'll add 3 block areas: hero, filters, grid. Okay, hero. So I'm on the same page, right? Okay. And it says click plus to add a group block. Okay, so, okay. Forgot to click the plus. Boom. Okay. Okay. Now in the right sidebar, advanced CSS, we did that. Boom. Inside the group, add heading. Okay, gotcha. So we got heading. Got it. And then you want to add paragraph, 1 or 2 line description. So let's call this Gospel Swag. Now I'm there. Okay, Gospel Swag Shop. And then it says you want to add a paragraph. Gospel Swag Apparel. We're just going to put that for now. And once we get it working, we could adjust it, I guess. Okay. So Gospel Swag Apparel, I'm going to save that. And then it says search block. A search block. Okay, so let's add a search block. Search. Okay, so we did that. All right, then we're going to save it. All right. We'll style this with the CSS in step 2. This step just places the blocks. Okay, got it. Filter row category chips. Below the hero, click plus and add another group block. Below the hero. Okay, I don't know what that is, but let's try it. So we're going to go below that. We're going to click plus, and it says add below the hero, click plus and add another group block. In advanced, additional CSS classes enter. Okay, filter row. Okay, I guess I'm going to go there. Let me see. Okay, let's see here. We got heading, Gospel Swag Journal, paragraph, search block. We'll style this with CSS in step 2. This step just places the blocks. Got it. Filter row, category chips. Below the hero, click plus and add another group block. Below the hero. Okay, I'm asking them to guide me through this step by step. Can you, I'm going to say, where do I find the below the hero section? Okay, in step step 1 of filter row. Let's see what it says. Where do I find the below the hero section in step 1 of filter row? All right, so let's see what it says. Like I said, family, I'm learning right along with you. So right now we got this is set up. Blog shop, gospel swag shop, gospel swag apparel. We got the search bar. Okay, so let's see what it says. Below the hero just means a new block that's a sibling of your hero group. Okay, not inside it. Got it. This is exactly how to place it. Okay, do this in block. Open your blog page, editor, click the list view icon top left. The list view, click your hero group, the one you gave the class. Okay, okay. So open your blog page. Got it. Click the list view icon top left. Okay, got it. Click the list view. This shows every block in order. Got it. In the list view, click your hero group. I think this is the hero group. Okay. The one you gave the class. Okay, got it. On the hero block's little toolbar, click the more. Okay, got it. Okay, click the more. Menu, choose insert after. Okay, insert after. After. Okay. This creates a new empty block directly under the hero as a sibling, not a child. Type group and hit enter to add a group block here. Okay, type group. So I think it's half. Let me see. So let's see paragraph. Then group. Okay, group block. Okay, got it. Okay, let's see. This creates a new empty type group and hit enter to add a group block here. With that new group selected, go to the right sidebar, advanced, additional CSS classes, and enter. Okay, so with that group selected, so this group is selected, go over to advanced and additional CSS classes, and then paste that. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, now inside that group, add a buttons block and create your category chips buttons linking to your category pages. Inside that group, add a buttons block. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Okay, where's that? I think that's the group here. And we're going to add something new, right? Add a buttons block. Add after. And we're going to add a button block. Okay, so I think we did it right. And we're going to click save. Okay, inside that group, add a buttons block and create your category chips. Buttons linking to your category pages. Quick check. In list view, the order should be group. Row group is called filter. This is your filter row. Query loop your grid. If the new block keeps going inside the hero, if your blog is still set as blog post, I want me to give you a page ready filter. Okay, so let's see. I think we did it. Inside, add buttons. Inside, add a buttons block and create buttons that link to your category archives. Replace with your real links. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. So we're going to do all style devotional drops BTS. A button block, create buttons. Okay, got it. So we're going to add these buttons. Okay, duplicate and duplicate and duplicate. And we're going to call this drops. I think I'm doing it right. Let's call this collections. Let's call this behind the scenes. And let's call this new releases, I guess. So let's just do it like that for now. Okay. Tip: keep button text short so they look clean and so they look like clean chips, whatever chips are. Okay. So I'm just going to do that for now. Once we get it working, we can go back and customize everything. Grid query loop and your apparel style cards. Click plus and add query loop. Okay. So click plus. I want to add a query loop. Query loop. Okay, we did that. Query loop. Choose grid 3 columns. Okay, I think I might have chose the wrong one. Let me delete that. So we're going to do query loop, 3 columns. Query loop. I think this gives you columns right here. Yeah. 2 columns. Date. 2 columns. We want 3 columns. Date. 2 columns. 2 columns. Feature image. All right, I'll just do 2 columns because I don't see 3 columns. Desktop. Then in the block settings, set 2 columns tablet. Okay, inside the post template, add in this order. Inside the post template. Okay. Save this. Inside the post template. Okay, inside the post template. Inside the post template, add in this order. Featured image, linked post. Post terms, categories, post title, post excerpt, read more button. Inside the, okay, let me see. Where do I find this? Let me ask. Where do I find this? So let's see what it tells me. Final details for setting up post template. Step by step, open your blog page in the editor. Okay, here's exactly where to find post template and how to add those blocks in order inside of your query loop. Step by step in the WordPress blog editor. Open your blog page in the editor. Click the list view icon top left. Looks like a bulleted list. Click on query loop. Okay, so boom, query loop. Got that. Okay. Okay. In the list, you'll see it expand to show an inner wrapper called post template. Is that what it's called? Post template. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, if you don't see query loop, it says latest post, boom, boom. Okay. Inside post template, the repeating card will build the card contents here, top to bottom. Okay. So post template. Boom. Guess we gotta unlock it. Unlock all. Oh, I guess I gotta unlock it. Okay, in list view, click post template selected. If there are blocks already inside, you can delete them, start clean. Okay, so let's delete them. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so where are we at? Where are we at? If they're about, okay, now with post template selected, add blocks in this order. Use the plus button or type to quick insert. Post featured image. Okay, so with post template selected, add blocks in this order. Image. Block settings, right sidebar, toggle link to post on. Optional if your theme shows aspect ratio. Post featured image. So I guess this is the image. Okay, so we're gonna add image. I think. Let's see. Okay, no, that's not right. Okay, let me delete that. Okay, loop. Okay, where's it at now? Query loop. Oh man, I think I messed up. See, query loop. Query. Okay, I think this is it right here. So let's do image. Okay, not for sure if I'm doing this right. I'm gonna add an image. I'll click plus. Let's go image there. And just leave it. Okay, so that's the image. And then it says post terms in settings, choose taxonomy categories. Okay, so settings. Let's see, is there settings? Setting. Yeah, this is a mission. This is a mission, family. We'll build the card contents here top to bottom. In list view, click post template to select it. That's where I got lost right there. Step by step in WordPress blog editor. Open your blog page in the editor. Click the list view icon top left. Okay, did that. Boom. Click on query loop. Did that. Got query loop. Okay. Did that. The list you see the span to show in a wrapper called post template. Grid. I think I put the grid there. Okay, if you don't see query loop, it says latest post instead selected. Click the blocks transform icon, choose query loop. Okay, yeah, we did that. So I think we did. All right. Inside post template, the repeating card. Inside post template. Okay, let's do this over. I think I gotta do this over. I got lost. I got lost on me. So I'm going to save this. Okay. We're going to delete that image. No, I think I'll leave that. Let me see. Do I leave that? Where do I find? Okay. Here's exactly where to find post template. Step by step. Okay. So I think we got this one done. We made it to the buttons. Right? Let's delete this. We made it to the buttons at least. Okay, so that's good. We made it to the buttons. That's done. Now the grid query loop, your apparel style cards. Click plus and add query loop. Click plus and add query loop. Okay. Choose grid, 3 columns desktop. Where's grid? Maybe that. Grid. Oh, no. What's this? Oh, grid. Okay. Layout, 3 columns. Choose grid. Okay. You want 3 columns. I don't think I did the right thing. Let's try it again. So query loop. Choose a layout to start with. 2 columns. Okay. Boom. I'll do it like that. Hit save. Okay. Inside the post template, add in this order: featured image, post terms, post title. Okay, so we got, see, featured image. Okay, so let's do a featured image. Oh, I think I get it. Let me see something here. Let me check something. I see. It's designing the page. Okay. All right, I got it. Okay, so here we're gonna click a little plus. I think I got it, family. I think I got it. So we're gonna add a plus. I think I got it. So for every post, let me try something. If I delete this, it's gonna do every post, I think. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so what is that we're clicking there? That is what? Post excerpt. Okay, I think I got it, family. I think I got it. Okay, so let's try something. Then that's the date. Okay, so let's go ahead and do image. So I see how it adds it. Okay, it adds it to each blog post. So we put the image at the top. Okay, I see. And then you got the title. We're getting somewhere, family. You got the date. Okay, and then the excerpt. Okay, got it. So they wanted me to do featured image, post terms categories. So let's put categories in there. I don't know how to find categories, but I'll see if I can find it. CATE, maybe categories. Okay, there we go. Categories. And they wanted me to put that after the image. Okay, I like it. Okay, now it's making sense. And post title, I think we got that. That's the post title. Post excerpt, we got that. Okay. And then the read more button. Okay, how do we add a read more? Let's see if we can go to the plus. Oh, there's a read more right there. Let's see if we can find a read more. Read more. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if we can get a different one. I think I'm getting the hang of it, family. So let's add a read more, a different one. Read more. Let's try this. It's a link. I like that. I like that read more button. Okay. So then that's supposed to add it to each post, right? Then it didn't add it to each post, but okay. It already has a read more. So let's take that out. Let's take that out because it didn't add it to each one either. Okay. Oh, wait, maybe. Okay. Just leave it like that. Okay. And then it says, click the post template wrapper, right sidebar, advanced additional CSS classes, enter GS postcard. Okay. So we're going to go here. It says, click post template wrapper. Post template wrapper. I guess that's that. Right. And then go to advanced CSS and additional classes. You want to put that in there. I think that's right. Okay. Optional, turning on query loop settings, right sidebar. Post per page, 9 or 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and click here. Let's see, post per page. Page, post, okay, block. Okay, let's go here. Query loop, post per page, 9 or 12. Okay, so let's do 9. And we hit save. I think I'm getting it, family. Order by descending date. Okay, where do you see order? Okay. Use template, use report conditional. We're just going to leave that the way it is. Inherit query from template. Nope. Okay. Add parameter. Search. Authors. Post status. Sticky post. Date. Okay. Okay. Now let's leave that out. Leave that out. Okay. All right. And then it says Peg Nation on if you want numbered pages or a little more. Okay. Publish the page. So let's go ahead and publish it. Okay, and it says then update your menus, appearance menu, so the blog link points to this new page. After this, let's see how the page looks real quick. Gospel flag shop. Okay, so this is categories. I like it. Okay, there's the read more buttons. Okay, and there's no images, so that's why the image didn't show up. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. After this, jump to CSS I gave you earlier, step 2, and paste it in appearance, customize additional CSS. So let's go grab our CSS. I think it was up here somewhere. CSS, there we go, the CSS. Boom. Okay, so it says paste this CSS, appearance, customize additional CSS. Okay, so we're going to go back here, make sure this is saved. And then we got to go to appearance, customize additional CSS. Appearance, customize. Okay. Additional CSS. Scroll down. Let's see if we get our blog page loaded up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create some space and click, and I'm going to paste that code in there. So I pasted the code. I hit publish. So there's that CSS. Okay. Let's go back down here. Okay. Publish the page. Now, after this, jump to CSS I gave you earlier, step 2, and paste in the appearance, customize the CSS. That CSS gives you the store style card look. B, keep the default WordPress blog, but add a hero, generate press premium, quick checklist so you know it's working. You can see the hero at the top of your blog page. Filter chips show clean rounded buttons. Posts show in 3-column grid with big images. Okay, so let's see if we got it working. I'm gonna hit refresh. Ooh. Ooh. It's okay. These buttons are alright. What's this? I don't know what this is. I don't think the CSS worked. Okay. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I say I'm not for sure if it's working. Not sure if it is working. The buttons still look like default buttons. Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens here, family. The buttons still look like default buttons. So I think I'm getting it. So this page is actually going to be how the blog looks. Okay, and this is supposed to be releases. Oh, wait, it worked. There we go. No, it worked. It worked. No, it worked. Because, yeah, it worked. No, it worked. I can see the change. Okay, I didn't catch it at first, but I can see like it's in little blocks. Oh, that's fire. Okay, I think it worked. Okay, okay. Hold up. If your read more still looks default, it's usually one of these. The block isn't the button style, the CSS selector isn't matching, or the core wrapper class isn't set. Let's fix that. Wrap each card and plus add our class so styles apply. Open your blog page, list view, inside query loop, post template, shift click to select all the card pieces, featured image, post terms, read more. Click the toolbar group icon, wrap them in a group. With that new group selected, this right sidebar advanced to CSS classes, paste. Okay, so okay, let's try it. Because the read more still looks pretty plain. So let's see what we can do. Let's mess. I think I got the hang of it. Open your blog page, list view. Okay. So let's go to the blog page. Let's close that. But I can see the difference though. That looks fire. I can see it's like moving, jumping up and down. Got the little category. Oh, that's fire, fam. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but that's fire. Okay. So let's go to blog page. No, pages. I'm gonna go to pages. Okay. Okay. Edit. All right. And it says site creating post template. Shift click to select all the card pieces. Okay. List view. Okay. Boom. Got that. Inside query loop. Query loop. Okay. Got that. Post template. Okay. Let's go to post template, which I think is here. And post template. Okay. Got that. Okay. Got it. And then it says shift click, select all. Shift click. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, select all. Okay, where's it at? Where's it at? Inside query. Shift click, select all. Terms, read more. Click the toolbar icon to wrap them in a group. Click the toolbar group to wrap them in a group. Toolbar group. Where's toolbar group? Toolbar group. Is that it? Okay, group. Got it. Okay. We did it. Okay. With that new group selected, right sidebar, advanced, additional CS classes, paste. Okay, so with that new group selected, okay, advanced and additional CSS classes, boom. We're going to save all this. Okay. Okay, make the read more a real button block setting. Click the read more block. Okay. Where did the read more block go? It disappeared. There is no read more block. So maybe we should add one. Add after. Paragraph. Let's do read more. Let's do a read more block. See what happens. Okay. Okay. Let's just add it. Make the read more a real button block. So click read more block. In the right sidebar styles, choose button, not default. Okay, right sidebar styles. Click button. Block. Okay. Let's change this up. Let's see. Let's delete that. I'm gonna add one. I think I'm getting the hang of it though. Good. What did I do? Let me delete that. Okay, post extra. So this is all a group right here. Okay, so I want to do it after. I'm gonna add something after. And I don't want it to be a paragraph. Let's make it a button. But let me try something else before I make it a button. Let's do read more. And what's that? Okay, settings. Read more. Okay, let's just leave it like that. In the right sidebar styles, choose button, not default. That adds the element button class so it behaves like a button. If you use the extras built in, read more link, turn that off and keep the separate read more block. Okay, I'm going to create a block. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's delete this. Okay, and then we're going to say add after, and I'm going to make it a button. Let's make it a read more button. Read more button. Okay, that didn't work, so let's just try a button, and then we'll call it read more. Read more. Okay, do it like that. Button. And click save. Okay. Okay, click the read more block. In the right sidebar star, choose button, not default. Okay, boom. Choose button. I think it's already labeled as a button, so we'll keep that like that. Okay, if you use excerpt, okay, that adds the WP button class, so it behaves like a button. Okay, appearance, paste this CSS. It styles all common variants. Appearance, customize additional CSS. Okay, let's try it. And then if this works, then I think we're good for our blog page. Wow, this was a mission, but I learned a lot, family. I learned a lot. Okay, appearance, customize. Let me ask, do I erase the old CSS? Do I erase the old CSS that I previously put? Let's see what it says. Because I remember I put some CSS before this, so I want to know if I need to delete that. Keep your old CSS. Okay, all right. I'll keep my old CSS. I'm just gonna post paste this new one here. But I can see the difference. At first, I couldn't see the difference, but now I see it. Okay, hit publish. Let's go to our blog post, hit refresh. Let's see what we got. Read more. That's fine. That's cool. I kind of like, I mean, the button is all right. I could change the button maybe to orange. But now I'm getting the hang of what to do. Okay, so I think we could work it, family. So I'm going to go in and style the button customly. I'm just going to style it customly. Okay, so I'm going to go to blog shop, click edit. That's pretty cool. Okay, man, that's a brilliant idea. Okay, so we're creating our own custom blog page. Okay, so these are the categories. I would have to link these buttons to the categories. So where's the buttons? It disappeared. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to group and we go to pair. Oh, the button disappeared. A group, right? Post template. Oh, there's the read more. Oh, okay, it's not in the group. That's why. It's not in the group, family. We want it to be in the group. That's what we wanted to do. We want it to be in the group. Now let's hit refresh. Say we want it to be in the group. Okay, so now we got to get rid of a read more. There's an extra read more somewhere. Let's see. I think it's this one. Is it that one? I think. Let's see. Delete. I think it's that one. Wow, we're learning a lot, family. Let's see if I got rid of the extra read more. No, that got rid of the paragraph. There's an extra read more somewhere. And I don't know where it's at. Let's see. Group. Post template. And group. Image. Categories. Post title. Post date. Post excerpt. I think that's it. Post excerpt. I think that's it. Let's take that out. Yes. Nope, that's not it. Post excerpt, read more. There's 2 read more buttons. And I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. Let me ask ChatGPT. Let me tell it why. So I have 2 read more buttons. Let's see what it says. I have 2 read more buttons and not sure how to get rid of the black one. So I took a screenshot and I pasted it in there. But that blog page is looking fire though, right? It's looking nice. And then this will be our categories. We can customize all that. Okay, so let's see what it says. Just thinking. In the meantime, I'm gonna change this blue. I'm gonna change some colors. Let's go with orange. I'm gonna customize it myself on that. Let's go with orange. Because that's kind of like the style of the website. A little orange, I think. I think it's orange. Let me see. Yeah, kind of like an orange. Let me see the home page. More like a gold, actually. So let's see if we can make it more gold. There we go. A little darker. There we go. Boom. Click save. And then I'm going to take that same color, right? I'm going to copy it and make the hover that color, but lighten it up. So I'm going to paste that number and then just slide the lighten. So it'll be light. It'll go light over hover. It'll go lighter. Let's click save. Okay. Let me just see how it looks real quick. Let's hit refresh. Then we have to go back and see how to get rid of. Ooh, I like it. Maybe it should change. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so how do we get rid of this? You're seeing 2 read more buttons because the post excerpt block has its own built-in read more link. That's right. And you also add a separate read more button. Keep one, get one. The clean fix recommended. Keep the style blue button and turn off the excerpt auto link. Open your blog page, click the list view top left, open query loop, post template, click post excerpt block. And the right sidebar, block settings, toggle off read more link. Okay, so I think I can follow that. So post excerpt, I'm over here, toggle off read more link. layout. Okay, let me try it again. Clean fix. Open your blog page. Click list view top left. Okay, got it. Okay, open query loop post template. Query loop post template. Okay, got it. Click the post excerpt block. Post excerpt. There is no post excerpt block. Post template. Oh, it's locked. Unlock it. Okay. I don't see post layout maybe. Okay. Sizing, spacing, borders, typography. I don't see post excerpt expert or excerpt. Okay, so let me let ChatGPT know. I don't see a post excerpt block. We're almost done, family. This has been a long video, but I'm learning a lot. I am learning a lot. Okay, so right now we know there's two buttons, so we got to figure out how to get rid of one of them. Okay, this read. Oh wait, maybe it's here. Maybe it's in that. Oh, there it is. Post excerpt. Okay, maybe it's over here somewhere. Read more. How do we toggle off read more? How do we toggle off read more? There it is. No, no. Use default more link. There it is. I found it. I found it, I think. Yeah, we found it. So that's use default more link. I think that's it. Let me hit save. And then we'll hit refresh. And go to blog. I think we found it, family. I think, no, that's not the right one. I haven't published the blog page yet, so I need to do this one. Okay, I think we found it. Okay, so that's on. So let's go over here. We don't want to use the default one. So we're going to click save. And let's see what happens. Maybe that'll get rid of it. We found it, family. We found it. We found it. Okay, let me let ChatGPT know I found it and where I found it for future reference. I found it. I found it right here under use default more link. I toggled use default more link. Okay, let me let ChatGPT know so it knows in the future. Query loop. Yeah, it was guiding me through it though. So let's see what it says. Wow, we could fix it up now. We could figure out how to change the button colors. What's up? What's up? Hold up a minute. Nice catch. That use default more link toggle is exactly what was creating an extra black button. Turning it off will leave your style read more button. Quick checklist to finish it clean. Update refresh page. Okay. In your post template featured image. Link to post on in your post template. Okay, post template. Featured image. Yeah, I want featured image. What does it say? In your post template, feature image, link to post on, post title. Keep your read more button. Optional set excerpt. Boom. If you still see black link rare. Okay. How do I check to make sure my featured image is on? Maybe I could create a blog real quick for you guys and see if it works. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do a blog with the featured image. This looks fire. I'm not for sure why this is there though. Got the search. That looks fire. Let me show ChatGPT how it looks too. Okay, boom. Make sure each post actually has a featured image. Make sure your grid is showing a query loop. Okay. If you also uh, let's expand query loop post template, you should see block name post featured image. If it's missing. Okay, I'm gonna work on that later, but let me just show something is there supposed to be a big blue what is that graphic at the top like this. I'm gonna show it that big blue thing. I'm not for sure what that's supposed. What I'm talking about is this right here. I'm not for sure what this is. So let's see. See what it says. We've been here for a while, family. But we're learning. We're learning. Fixing the hero content. Fixing the hero layout. Okay, gotcha. So let's see. That big blue bar is your hero wrapper. It's supposed to hold your headline and short blurb search. Right now it's empty, so you just see a navy rounded rectangle and your search is sitting outside the hero. That's why its button is still black. The hero styles don't reach it. Fix it in 30 seconds. Open your blog page in the editor. Click the list view bulleted icon, top left, find group, GS Blog Hero in the list. Drag your Gospel Swag Shop heading, search inside the group, indented under it, or select the hero group, add them inside. Okay, so let's do that real quick. Open your blog page in editor, click the list view, okay, and find group GS Blog Hero. Where's the group? Is that group? I think that's group GS Blog Filters. Nope. Let's see. Post template group. GS postcard. Okay. I don't have a group. GS find group. In the list, drag your Gospel Swag Shop heading. What you should have inside the hero. Okay, I don't see a GS Blog Hero group. Okay, so that's supposed to have my header in it, this thing here. Okay, got it. So somehow it's missing it. Okay, so let's see if we can fix that. And then we'll get ready to wrap it up. Maybe got about 7 minutes left. So let's see what happens. Okay, if you don't see group, one of these is true. You never created it on the page. You built the hero, use generate press elements, and it won't appear. Okay. If you built the blog as a normal page, blocks and page, open your blog page editor, click view, bullet icon top left. If you don't see a block name, group, or cover with the class, create it. Click the very top empty area. I thought I created it though, but let's do it over. Click the very top empty area, group to add a group block. Okay, so what does it say? Click list view. Okay. If you don't see a block name, group, or cover, what's this group? SGS block filters. Okay, group or cover. Group or cover. Let's see if we're gonna do it now. Advanced. Okay, group or cover. Group or cover. There's a group there, but that's GS postcard. Okay, and post template. Let's see, is it in there? Nope. Okay. All right, so it looks like we're gonna have to create it because I don't see group. Okay, so let's create it. So what do? If you don't see it block out, okay, with the class GS block hero, create it. Click the very top empty area, group to add a group block. Okay, so let's go here. Go there, boom, click group to add a group block. Okay, all right, we did that. With that group selected, right bar, advance, paste. Okay, so this group is selected, go to advance. Wait, that's the same one though. So how do I create? Let me see. I need to create one. How do you create a group? Oh, okay, I guess I have to do group. Nope, I don't want to do that. Let's undo that. I just want to create a group. How do I create a group? Group to add a group. Click the very top. Oh, very top. Okay. Very top. Very top. Oh, wait. Very top. Group. Okay, there we go. Group. There we go. Oh man, I'm learning so much. Okay. What with that group selected, right bar. Okay. So that group is selected. Go over to advanced. Additional CSS. Got it. Okay. With that group selected, right bar, advanced additional CSS classes, paste, copy code. Okay, I copied and pasted it. Inside that group, add heading, paragraph, search block. In list view, it should look like heading, paragraph, search. Okay, so with that group selected, so we want heading, paragraph, search block. Okay, so what do I do? Group blocks together. Okay, boom. Heading. Okay, boom. Paragraph. Boom. And search block. Boom. I did all these. I remember making these, but I guess I didn't do it right. Because I know there's a search bar somewhere. Post title, post date. Yeah, I know there's one somewhere. Okay. So we got heading, and then I need paragraph. Gospel swag shop. Okay, so let's just paste. So heading, paragraph, search. Okay, we got that. Okay, got it. Update and refresh if you use. Now, if you already had a top group cover that's making the big blue bar, just select that block and add the class GS block hero to it. Then move the heading, search inside it, drag and view. Okay, so let me see what I got here. Let's see what we got. Still got another blue thing. Okay. Let's see. A heading, paragraph, search. And we gave this. Why is that filters heading? I think that's supposed to be the one right there. Let me, because that's the one I created before. So let me see if I can use that. Okay, change it from GS filters to hero. I think I might have put the wrong code. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Nope. Oh, wait. I think we got it, family. I think we got it. Gospel swag shop. Let's see. I think we got it. Let me see. Then I can fix it up later. Let's see. It should appear right there. If we did it right. Ah, there it is. Fire. Okay, we did it, family. So now we just got to get rid of some of these groups. Like this group can go. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. Refresh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to have to fix it up. I got about 30 seconds left, but I think I got it. Yeah, I think we got it, family. We can move this up to the top. Like that. And let's hit save. And I'll mess around with it. Let's see. Yeah. Then we just got to get rid of this right here. See if we can do that. Boom. Get rid of that. That other group. Yeah. That's it. I have to get rid of that. And then I have to change this text to white. All right, family. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. God bless.